How to use Phone app on the iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Favorites. You can view all your favorite contacts over here. If you want to add more, then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. From here, select the contacts you want to add. And then, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. On this page, you can view all your recent logs. After that, go back and tap on Contacts from the bottom panel. You can view all your contacts over here. And then, tap on the keypad icon to open your iPhone keypad screen. From here, you can dial in any number to call. If you want to save the number instead of, then tap on the Add icon at the top right. Lastly, go to the voicemail section to view all your voicemails. Following these steps, you can easily use Phone app on the iPhone.